Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this Hey Gems family. This is Life with Marlene, and I am here getting ready to head to the beach. I'm feeling myself today. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Hey guys, I am here at Walmart. I'm about to head over to Madeira Beach, so come along with Life with Marlene. Let's go to the beach.
To the beach, let me take you out to eat, let me take you shopping, let's get it on and poppin', let me take you out and have some fun in the Florida sun, you know what I mean, enjoy life with Marlene.
So I am here, guys. We're at John's Pass. Over here is John's Pass, and then over here is Madeira Beach. So this vlog we're gonna focus on Madeira Beach, and then the next vlog we're gonna go over to John's Pass. So stay tuned. Wow, look at this view. You guys just cannot fathom how beautiful this is. It's a million times more beautiful in person. So let's go down these steps first. So I'm under this little area right here. Over there is John's Pass, but I just want to show you this view right here. like a local and not a tourist, this is one of the beaches that I come to. It's so many vibes that you can get in Florida by coming to the beach, and this one is more like I'm Floridian. This is how we chill. Like, not all the time you want to hear the music and the loudness. Well, if you don't want to have that, listen, you got to wake up early before it gets busy, like about 9 in the morning, 9 in the morning, and then you'll have probably 2 to 3 hours of good quiet before the noise starts. Trust me, I've been doing it my whole life. So I guess one of those bigger boat to make this sailboat go through. That's an inconvenience for all of the people who want to pass on the bridge. It takes like about 3 minutes for the bridge to go back down. Shout out to the amazing channel members. Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Lara, Yellow Sword, Puzzle Pieces, Miss Nexie, Sirius S. A Virgo from Georgia, Geo, Boss Life Online, and Dave's Adventures, and Global Empire Media ENT. Thank you so much for your support. Join channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have to say, I appreciate every single one of you for supporting me. I don't take anything for granted. Please make sure to leave a like if you have not already. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe and turn the notification bell on all. And I will most definitely see you on the next vlog, live stream, or video.